Welcome to our channel. If you experience dropped calls, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable Wi-Fi calling and improve call reliability. Step 1. Verify your phone and carrier support Wi-Fi calling functionality. Most modern smartphones and major carriers support this feature, but some combinations may not. Step 2. Enable Wi-Fi calling in your phone settings under cellular or phone options. Toggle on Wi-Fi calling and accept any terms of service prompts that appear. Step 3. Provide an emergency address required by law for Wi-Fi calling. Enter your physical address so emergency services can locate you if you call 911 over Wi-Fi. Step 4. Choose your Wi-Fi calling preference between Wi-Fi preferred and cellular preferred. Wi-Fi preferred uses internet when available, while cellular preferred only uses Wi-Fi when signal is weak. Step 5. Connect to reliable Wi-Fi networks with strong signals for best call quality. Poor Wi-Fi connections cause choppy audio and dropped calls worse than cellular. Step 6. Test Wi-Fi calling by enabling airplane mode and turning Wi-Fi back on. Make test calls to verify the feature works and call quality is acceptable. Step 7. Disable Wi-Fi calling temporarily if experiencing issues on specific networks. Some routers or public Wi-Fi networks block the ports needed for Wi-Fi calling to function. Step 8. Update your phone's software if Wi-Fi calling isn't working properly. Carrier settings updates and OS updates often contain fixes for Wi-Fi calling connectivity problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.